Hey guys, welcome to my channel Fani by Aisha. In my previous video, I have shown you how you can create a simple, cheap canvas at home. In today's video, I'll review those canvases which I have made. Here you can see I have two paintings. One is made up on a canvas which I have made with the cloth, white cloth, and the second is using a Bukram piece. So I'll show you the final results. Both of these canvases are really helpful for me for practicing different techniques of painting. So this is the cloth canvas. Here you can see the result, the finishing, the shades. Paint is absorbed really beautifully in the canvas, and the texture which I want to give on these flowers is absolutely right. So this is the cloth canvas using the same technique. The other canvas is the Bukram canvas. I made this canvas in the same way. Just replace the Bukram with cloth. You have seen the colors on both of these canvases. I hope you guys have also tried these canvases. If you want to write something on the canvas, so here you can see I have written Fani art by Aisha on the cloth canvas which I have made in my previous video. So all the results are in front of you. I have used acrylics on these canvases, not fabric paints. So acrylics have given me much better results. So looking forward for your canvases. Make these canvases at home, and please share your reviews, your pictures of canvases with me on my Facebook page or Instagram. So stay tuned, take care.